Thank you for tuning in to our new video which will show you how to change the drive belt on your Can Am Outlander 450cc ATV. As always, we suggest you wash the ATV thoroughly and have the area in which you wish to work on the bike within easy access. Remove the seat and the front cowling directly in front of the seat simply by pulling. Now remove the first clip holding on the side cover. The second clip is under the rear plastic, and the third clip underneath the front plastic. Next, remove the front cowling again by pulling and removing the final fixing, which is a Phillips head screw. You're now ready to remove the side cover. Simply take hold firmly and remove. Next is the footwell, taking out the 4 set screws holding the footwell onto the chassis, and then the screws holding the plastics onto the footwell. Your footwell is now ready to remove. As the plastics are clipped to the footwell, it can take a little persuasion to come apart. Remove the footwell fully. Now we are at the belt cover and we can take off the front snorkel. Remove the hose clip or slacken the hose clip and pry off the hose. Repeat on the rear. And you're now in a position to start removing your belt cover. The belt is secured by a ring of bolts around the cover. Some may well be hidden, so please do look out for them and make sure you have got all the bolts out before attempting to remove the cover itself. Special care should be taken if an ATV is dirty to make sure no dirt can contaminate the belt cover area and that you don't miss any bolts you should be taking out to remove it. Now you have removed all the screws, it's time to remove the belt cover itself. Simply grab each side and pull apart, being careful not to drop any of the screws on the floor. Take your Can Am rear clutch separation tool and install to the hole. Firstly, tighten up finger tight. Then when resistance is felt, install your ratchet and tighten fully. This separates the rear clutch faces, allowing you to remove the belt. Take the belt and remove in the fashion shown, being extra cautious not to jam any fingers. Your belt is now removed and you can see the rotation marks, and this is the same way as the new belt should be installed. The new belt's installed in the same way as we took the old one off. Again, extra special care on your fingers. Remove the insertion tool. Then spin the clutch until the belt rides high up in the rear clutch. First clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Your belt is now fully installed. Now reassemble the ATV by carrying out the same steps we have already completed in reverse. It is a good time to note that all belts new fitted to an ATV have a run-in procedure. Please look at your owner's manual to find out the proper procedure for this. When tightening the bolts on the side cover, it is wise to be cautious not to over tighten. A torque value is available should you not be confident. Reattaches the hoses, rear and front. Reaffix the footwell, clipping the plastics into place. And bolt together using the same fixings we removed earlier. Side cover goes back into place where it was removed from. Reinstalling clips and screws. Pop on the centre console and the front centre console. Now reattach the seat and the repair is complete. I sincerely hope you have found this video useful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll see all our latest videos. Thank you for watching.